Comparing Juvenile Justice. RA 9344 Philippines and Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act USA. Republic Act 9344, also known as the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act 2006, is comprehensive law in the Philippines that establishes a juvenile justice and welfare system. The system aims to protect the rights and welfare of children in conflict with law, ensuring their rehabilitation and reintegration into society. Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act of 1974. The Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act JJDPA of 1974, Pub L number 93415, is a landmark piece of legislation in the United States that focuses on improving the juvenile justice system and preventing juvenile delinquency. The Act's main goals were to improve treatment and rehabilitation of juvenile offenders, as well as to protect their constitutional rights. The JJDPA established guidelines and funding mechanisms for states to enhance their juvenile justice system. Similarities. Focus on rehabilitation over punishment. Both laws emphasize rehabilitation juvenile offenders rather than purely punishing them. They stress the importance of treating juvenile in a manner that encourages reintegration into society and reduce recidivism. Age of criminal responsibility. Both laws set certain age threshold to determine the age of criminal responsibility, recognizing that minors may lack maturity to fully comprehend the sequence their action. Diversion programs. Both laws promote diversion programs as alternatives to incarceration. These programs aim to redirect juveniles away from formal judicial proceedings and the criminal justice system, focusing instead on counseling, education, and community-based intervention. Specialized juvenile courts. Both the Philippines and the USA provide mechanisms like juvenile courts or dedicated judicial officers who handle cases involving minors. These courts are designed to ensure that juveniles are treated according to their development needs. Focus on family and community support. Both laws recognize the importance of family and community in the rehabilitation process, encouraging the involvement of parents and local communities in addressing juvenile delinquency. Differences. RA 9344 and JJDPA USA. Age of criminal responsibility. RA 9344. In the Philippines, the age of criminal responsibility under RA 9344 is set at 15 years old. However, children aged at 15 to 18 can be held criminally liable if they commit a serious crime, and the courts may impose intervention including incarceration depending on the severity of the offense. JJDPA USA. The age of criminal responsibility varies by state in the U.S. Some states set the minimum age as low as 6 or 7, but the majority of states have an age of criminal responsibility ranging from 10 to 12. Unlike RA 9344, the U.S. as law does not automatically exempt the juvenile below certain age from prosecution. Each case may be treated differently based on state law. Rehabilitation versus incarceration. RA 9344. The Philippine law specifically outlines that children in conflict with the law, CICL, should not be placed in detention center. For adults, the law mandates special rehabilitation program tailored to minors. JJDPA USA. While the JJDPA also emphasizes rehabilitation, it does not specifically prohibit the detention of juveniles in adult facilities. However, it does not set rules limiting the extent of such detention. The JJDPA has provision regarding the dissolution of statute, offenders, those who have committed non-criminal offenses like truancy. Diversion mechanism. RA 9344. The Philippine law emphasizes diversion at an early stage in the judicial process. If a child is caught committing a crime, they can undergo diversion program that may include community-based interventions, counseling, and educational support. JJDPA USA. The JJDPA also allow for diversion but primarily focus on diverting juveniles from formal court process into alternative service like community service, restitution, or counseling. The diversion option may be more varied depending on state law and the local systems. Provision for detention. RA 9344. Under RA 9344, juveniles aged 15 to 15 who commit serious crimes may be detained in special youth facilities. The law discourages detention in adult facilities and encourage rehabilitation within youth-oriented centers. JJDPA USA. The JJPA does not prevent juveniles from being placed in detention centers, but it imposes strict standards for their treatment. Especially, it bans the commitment of juveniles in adult jails or lock, except under exceptional circumstances, which is consistent with the philosophy of destabilizing juvenile offenders. Implementation and monitoring. RA 9344. The Philippine law creates a comprehensive government structure with various agencies including the Department of Social Welfare and Development DSWD and the local government units to implement and monitor the programs for juveniles. It also set up a Juvenile Justice and Welfare Council JJWC to oversee the system. JJDPA USA. The JJDPA is a federal law but its implementation is left to the state and the U.S. Department of Justice Office of Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention (OJJDP) monitors compliance. States that do not comply with the federal standards may face funding reduction, providing mechanism for national oversight.